we're back with episode 54. And today's topic is going to be buy here, pay here.
Right.
So we're going to talk a little bit about what is buy here, pay here, who is the right person for a buy here, pay here, who is not. Everything about it. I think that will be something helpful for people because not everyone should be getting a buy here, pay here.
Basically, the reason why we want to talk about buy here, pay here is because we have a buy here, pay here program here at Easy Auto Lakeland, okay, which is very different from the majority of the buy here, pay here dealerships you see around. Most of the buy here, pay here programs or dealerships, they tend to have very old vehicles, and also super high miles, no warranty, just very cheap cars, you know what I mean? And that's what people are used to, and that's the perception most of the people have. We came up with a very unique program, which, we, even though we're financing people with not the best credit, doesn't mean they don't deserve a good car.
Right.
We still go through the whole process of inspecting the vehicle, recondition the vehicle, and all the services are up to date. Buy here, pay here program is obviously designed for people who have some sort of bad credit or no credit that they won't get approved through a traditional lender, a bank, or a auto lender. Okay, so basically the approval is guaranteed. Mainly they just need to have a job and obviously have some sort of down payment, and that will get them in a vehicle. Our program also is going to help you build your credit because we work with a few financial institutions. So eventually, after you make a couple payments, 5-6 payments, it's going to get started. It's going to start reporting to the credit bureaus. Most buy here, pay here dealerships don't. That's also another big difference.
So yeah, buy here, pay here. What as he was explaining, I'm gonna go a little bit further into it, because I think it's important for people to know that buy here, pay here is not for everyone.
It's not.
Buy here, pay here.
No, it's not the best option for everyone.
It's not the best. Yeah, exactly. Buy here, pay here. I would consider buy here, pay here should not be your first option.
Right.
In my opinion, it should not be. I think everyone's opinion would be that it should not be your best, your first option. It's an option that you will consider as if, like Jackson said, if you have bad credit and you cannot get approved through a regular lender, you can consider buy here, pay here. If you're a first-time buyer and you're not getting approved anywhere, you can consider buy here, pay here. If you have already a car loan and you're not getting approved because of that, you can consider buy here, pay here. And buy here, pay here, all it means is that you buy the car here, you pay here.
In-house financing.
In-house finance. There's no bank involved. The bank is the
dealership.
Just the dealership.
Right.
They will finance the car for you. It's got good things and it's got bad things. Since it shouldn't be your first option because what are some of the reasons why it shouldn't be your first option? Well, I think if you're a person with good credit, and if you go to a buy here, it doesn't make sense that you'll go to a buy here, pay here because you're gonna get charged high interest. It's high interest for the loan. So it's not designed for those kinds of people. Wouldn't you say that?
Yeah. The thing is that when you say it shouldn't be your first option, yes, but some people don't have any other option. You know what I mean?
Right.
So, like, for example, if you have some sort of good credit,
but
you're gonna have options.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
that's what I'm
Right.
saying. But why what I mean by it shouldn't be your first option is uh, that I think people could give it a try through a different way.
Oh yeah, totally. And it doesn't mean
Eh,
the fact that it shouldn't be your first option doesn't mean it's something bad. It's
Mm-hmm.
just that, I mean, if you're able to, there are gonna be other options. We just being upfront with everybody, probably not better but cheaper options. That's the thing, and it doesn't mean that you're gonna pay a lot for the car, but just like he's saying, it's gonna be a high interest rate program
Right.
because um, in reality, you're getting a car and the dealership is financing the car for you at a high risk
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
because,
exactly.
well, you're not getting approved anywhere else. They're taking the chance of financing the car for you,
Yeah.
but there is a price. You know what I mean?
If you're not if you're a person that is not getting approved through a bank or through a regular lender at a yeah, if you're not getting approved through a regular lender, there's a reason why you're not getting
Right.
approved. There's a reason, and wherever you go, they should tell you. They will tell you the reason. So a buy here, pay here program, what it does is that they take the risk. They know there's a reason, but they say, okay, we will take the risk to finance a vehicle for you. Yeah, so that's mainly what it is.
Mm-hmm.
It is that.
So the other thing I like to say, because I think buy here, pay here has a really bad quote unquote reputation because of the reason what I said before. Because most of the buy here, pay here dealerships they just want to make a quick dollar, and they just sort of sell the cheapest car available. They don't tend to be in the best condition possible, because the dealership don't want to put money in the car because they're gonna have a lot of money in the car. But we don't. We do it the proper way. I mean, yes, it's still a buy here, pay here dealership, but in reality, you're getting a good car.
Right.
We go through the process. It's the same thing. The only difference is it's not a bank financing you, but it's a dealership. It's Easy Auto. You
Right.
know what I mean? So the reason why I bring this up is because even though your buy here, pay here is your only option, doesn't mean you have to get a crappy car.
Not at
You
all.
know what I mean? So I will always, whether you go here, Easy Auto, or any other buy here, pay here dealership, make sure you still get it because you're paying for it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So make sure you still get a good car. You get a car that is worth your money. You know, besides the high interest rate and all that, I mean, you still want to make sure that you're getting a car that is in good condition, car that is being reconditioned, that is in good mechanical and cosmetic condition, all that. You know what I mean? Most buy here, pay here dealership, they will sell you a car without any warranty. That's the other reason why our program it's different from everybody because we're able to finance a warranty for you.
Right.
So even though it's a used car, you're not buying a brand new car, but the car is being reconditioned, it's been serviced, and you get a warranty, which most of the buy here, pay here dealerships, they don't even want to finance it. And the reason why is because they don't want to finance that warranty for you. You know what I mean? Because we have to pay the warranty company up front, but then they don't have the money for it.
Exactly.
They just don't want to finance that much.
Yeah.
We're able to,
Because I think it's actually super simple, and I'm gonna try to explain it. I think what buy here, pay here has been known as, or what people think when they think buy here, pay here, and it's not just because people decided to think like that. It's because it was like that. I'm
Right.
assuming like buy here, pay here dealerships were known for buying a car, not putting any money in the car, not fixing it, not anything, selling it to a client that it's not getting approved anywhere else, and just pay your car,
yeah.
and if not, they'll repo it. a buy here pay here dealership, since they're not going through a bank, and they can repo the car and just sell it again and keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that.
Right.
I think that's the notion. That's what people think when they think buy here pay
That's
here,
the
because
perception, I think.
there are a lot of, I mean, today in our same street there are people that do that. So
Yeah.
it is true that people do that with a buy here pay here. I think what we're trying to do is actually to offer good cars and to actually get people financed that are not getting financed anywhere else.
Get financed the
Actually,
proper way.
Yeah, and getting
know.
them a good car, and like trying to really help them.
Yeah, because I mean, Easy Auto is not in the business of repoing car.
Right.
We are in the business of financing cars, so it is also the best interest for us that the car stays in good condition.
Yeah.
Because one of the main reasons why a car is repossessed is because it breaks down and the customer doesn't want to pay for a broken car.
Exactly.
So that's, it's a win-win situation. Customer gets a warranty. We're financing the warranty for them. They don't have to come out of pocket for the warranty. And they just have peace of mind. I think that's what they like, peace of mind, knowing that, yeah, maybe I don't have another option for getting approved, but I'm still getting a good car that is not going to break down. And if something happens, they're covered. It's a lot of peace of mind. If I were in their situation, I'll make me feel better. You know what I mean? So that's the thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty unique.
So I would say if you're a person, you're out there and you're not getting approved anywhere else, no bank, no anything, don't give up trying to find. Don't think that you're just gonna have to get a crappy car,
Right?
Or you're just
Exactly.
gonna have. Okay, damn, I'm just gonna have to go out there and get screwed. I mean, I don't have any other option. There are. I mean, we are doing it, and I'm pretty sure there are. I'm pretty sure there are other dealerships, other buy here, pay here's that are actually doing it the proper way.
They even get gap insurance.
Mm-hmm.
With us, we give them a gap insurance.
Yeah.
So I've never seen another buy here, pay here dealership financing a gap insurance for them. I mean, because like I said, we're doing it the proper way. It's a good financing structure, and also the best thing is you're not paying 6-7 years on a car. They're short-term loans. That's what I call them. The longest we go is usually around 36 months, which is 3 years. So yes, the percentage on the interest rate is high, or higher than normal, than average. But still, they're not paying much money on interest if you really do the math, as compared as financing a car for 6-7 years. That's an insane amount of money on interest. So every time.
It's hard to say exactly because it's different. Like
Right,
someone that gets a really
every
loan.
time, like I go over the financing agreement with my customers and all that, I show them all the numbers, and yeah, the interest rate, like I said, the actual percentage is high, but in reality, they're not paying much on interest, so it's still pretty good for them. The payments are affordable, so they're even able to, make higher payments than normal and pay it off sooner, which is, I think, is good for them. So that's the main point. Like Ishmael is saying, if buy here, pay here is your only option, doesn't mean you have to get a crappy car or go through a crappy dealership. Do your research, and we're pretty sure other dealerships are doing it the proper way. Yes, they're buy here, pay here, but they service, recondition all their inventory and all that. But do your research. There's a lot of information online. You can read their reviews, their reputation. Go test drive the car, see how they look. If they're clean, they're not clean. Check everything out, and just know that you still have options. Doesn't mean you have to settle for the worst.
Yeah, and it's the same it's the same principles because you're still getting a loan, just a regular loan, like a bank loan. So everything that you can learn about how to finance a car, about the numbers, about the time, about the interest rates, about all of those things, will help you because it's just a loan. It's just a loan. The only difference is the loan is not with a bank. The loan is with the dealership. So get to uh, gain knowledge about car financing. So that way you get to a buy here, pay here dealership. Uh,
And know what you're
you
looking
see the
at.
cars. You like the cars. You check them out. They are reconditioned and everything. Okay, so let's go into the loan. How's the loan going to be? And you know what they're giving you, what you're getting approved for, what all the terms and everything. You understand, so that way you don't get screwed.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Awesome, man.
I think that's it for today.
We'll see you guys.
Take care.